Guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're off on a little adventure to BRJ Fabrications, and we're going to be taking some things for powder coating. Those things are going to be the valve cover and the turbo cold side for the GT30 hybrid that I built, and we're going to get the valve cover and the turbo powder coated black, and then the spark plug cover is going to be powder coated in a purpley kind of colour. Ava's with me. She's my little girl, my little angel, and I think this will be the first video that she's actually been in, so she likes watching things on the channel, so why not let her be a part of it. She's part of the M111 family. So yeah, let's crack on with this journey before the camera flies off the bonnet. Right guys, and as you saw there, we had a little road trip to go and see Ben. Now Ben runs a small business called BRJ Fabrications. He does decorative homewares, lights, candle holders, placemats and fabrication, as well as now powder coating. He's made heavy investment in a large powder coat oven, as well as new powder coating guns to improve the finish on both his own products and some things for us. So basically I took the turbo cold side and the valve cover to be powder coated. I've just gone with gloss black on both of these, and the spark cover is still with him, as we're having to do some small repairs to that because of the pitting on it. Now you can go and check out brjfabrications.co.uk. His website is very simple, easy to navigate. You can see whether there's any products on there that you guys would like, and also he does custom commissions and occasionally automotive things. I mean, he turned an M111 flex plate into a clock. He's very capable. All his stuff is top notch, well fabricated, and looks fantastic. So check out brjfabrications.co.uk. So with that said, we've had the valve cover done and the turbo done. The gloss black looks really good. I just prefer to have a clean looking engine bay. Obviously, because of the issues with the pistons, I was trying to think of ways I can move forward with this engine and just make some progress. It's been quite a while since I last made any progress on this engine with the issues we're having with these pistons. Now there will be some more M111 content coming up hopefully soon, basically because there is a possibility of me being able to get hold of an M111 Evo engine, and the Evo engine has quite a few subtle little differences to the previous versions, and I would like to see what improvements Mercedes made to the engines, where they're skimped, where they're lightened and where they're reinforced. So guys, all being well, you've got that to look forward to, and it will be great to dissect another M111. Hopefully I can get an engine stand pretty sharpish, because I need one. I don't have another one. In fact, to be fair, I could do with one for the M104 as well. So all being well, that's what you've got to look forward to. I know this has been mostly another talking video, but I just wanted to show you guys that this is in the forefront of my mind, and I want to move forward with it just as bad as you guys want me to move forward with it. Thanks for watching again. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one.